Chastity 1. In a long narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6806, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentions 7 groups of people who will be granted shade on the Day of Judgment by Allah, the Exalted. This shade will protect them from the horrors of the Day of Judgment, which includes the unbearable heat caused by the sun being brought within 2 miles of the creation. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2421. One of these groups includes a person who is invited towards fornication, but rejects it out of the fear of Allah, the Exalted. Controlling one's desire, especially when no one except Allah, the Exalted, will know about it, is a great deed. Muslims should strive to avoid situations where they might be invited to sins, by firstly avoiding places where sins are more common, such as a nightclub. This is extremely important, as a person's environment often has a deep impact on their attitude and behavior. Just like a student is more likely to study in a quiet library, compared to a busy and loud house, a Muslim is less likely to be attracted to sins when they avoid places where sins occur regularly and openly. The other important thing is to avoid people who openly commit sins and invite others to them. A person will adopt the characteristics of their companions, whether good or bad. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4833. Muslims should not only ensure they accompany good people, but also encourage their dependents, such as their children, to do the same. If Muslims truly concentrated on this, it will dramatically reduce the amount of youth who become involved in gangs and crime. Chapter 43 Az-Zukhruf, verse 67.
Close friends that day will be enemies to each other, except for the righteous.